Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change Google Assistant to Gemini in Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any preferred browser on your Android device and search for Gemini AI APK. Now, scroll down the search results a little bit and you should see the APK Mirror website. Again, scroll down the APK Mirror page and you'll find the download button. Tap on that to start downloading the Gemini AI APK file. Once the download is complete, install the Gemini AI app on your device. After the installation is done, close all the apps and open the Google app. Inside the Google app, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and access the settings feature. You should see the Gemini option here. Simply tap on it. On the Gemini page, tap on the switch button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the Use Gemini button to confirm the change. Now, when you open the Google Assistant, the Gemini AI Assistant will open up instead of the regular Google Assistant. So that's all for this video. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.